Hi, my name is Dion Allen, and today I want to talk about the universe and stars because to me, stars are very important, and I really think everyone needs to just take a moment to admire them and think about your life and how you and the universe is connected. Okay, well, the first thing I want to talk about is how can we really connect with stars? Well, for one, our sun and every star in the universe gives information, encoded information. So therefore, every day you wake up and you see the sun, or every night you go out and you see stars above you, you're getting enlightenment. It is information. And your subconscious awareness is getting overwhelmed with information. Okay, now when a star is born, it is born in a spiral disk of hot gas and dust, and it's called a nebula, a star nursery basically. And just like a mother, when she have her baby, the baby could have some traits from the mother. So it can look like the mother, or it can have certain traits like the mother. And when a star is born, it has the same traits as its mother. Its mother came basically from another star. Now, when a star dies, it explodes in what is called a supernova. After that supernova happens, there will be gas and dust left. And that gas and dust will become a spiral of hot gas and dust. And through time, through millions of years, that process will create more stars. So it's like a star nursery. It's like a nursery for star babies, basically. So when a star dies, it has the same material. It has the exact same material that was in the star nursery that it was born in. So when you think about it, when a human have a child, the baby can have the same cells and blood as the mother. So, when you think about that process, we are star children. We all once came from a star. And the information that was once star nebula is now inside of you. So now I want to talk about what makes a star dies. Well, what makes a star dies is gravity is pulling its core and trying to crush it inside the star, its core, and it's making the core create heavy elements. And the last element a star will create before it explodes in a supernova is iron. And it's a connection with how human dies. Because a human can die when the body is poisoned from these heavy metals. And your brain can be shut down through time from exposure to heavy metals. And it's a process, because a star can, this process for a star, it can take millions of years. A human, it can take just our little 90-year lifespan. Well, basically what I'm saying is, the more we eliminate these heavy metals, the more we'll be able to keep burning our natural energy. Now, when I speak on natural energy, where can we get this natural energy? Well, natural energy comes from stars and our sun. So try to connect with these stars and the sun and try to absorb this information that it gives to us, and just admire them, and just know you are a star, and don't let anyone else tell you different. I'm Dion Allen, and see you next time. Bye-bye. Peace. Subscribe if you want to learn more about the electric universe, and if you want to hear me talk about more topics. All right, see you next time. Peace out.